Good morning from beautiful Ensenada, Mexico. So today is day 3 of the cruise. Just finished having breakfast with my dad. So breakfast in Sunset Dining Room. I have actually forgotten that that's an option for breakfast, and it is so much better than the Marketplace buffet. I mean, the Marketplace is fine, but being able to have a sit-down breakfast that's a little bit fancy, it was delicious. So don't forget about that, because I always forget that that's even an option. So also there's Shack's Big Chicken here that has breakfast. I'm gonna try that tomorrow. Today I don't have a ton of plans. I'm gonna go into Ensenada. This is the home of the original Margarita. There's 2 places that say that it's the original Margarita, and I plan on trying both. And then tacos. Man, I love tacos. Shannon, touch the cactus.
No, don't.
I was just.
Ow, ow.
Shopping strip in Ensenada, and it is your typical Mexican shopping strip. All your little stores carry most of the same types of things, but you know, everybody's trying to get you to buy stuff, and it's fun walking down here and making friends. Hi, baby! Follow!
Come on, everybody. Come on, you serve. Come on.
No, I'm done.
You produce the same. Look, just because you dance, I'm gonna give you 50% off. Come on, check it out. Alright, so this is supposed to be the old casino where Al Capone used to come to play, and it's also the home of the original Margarita, first Margarita ever made, or they claim to. So we're gonna try our Margarita here and see what else we can find. Okay, so we made it to the home of the first Margarita, and my sister's in there ordering for us right now, and we're going to enjoy this, and then we're going to go get some tacos. Oh God, I'm so excited about this. It's supposed to be the best Margarita in the world. I don't know about all that, but we'll see. Alcohol in it. So, here's ours. There we go. That's our drink.
It's just lemonade.
What do you think about it?
I think I need a shot of tequila.
I go ask them if they put alcohol in it. Are these virgin?
I think they are.
So, this is the Margarita, and it tastes like lemonade. It doesn't, which is a really great flavor if it actually has alcohol in it, but none of us think he put any alcohol in it. We think it's just frozen lemonade at this point. But if it does, it's the best tasting Margarita I've ever had. Okay, Tacos Phoenix, right down there. We finally found it. So excited! Tacos! Yes. all this walking. This is what we did all of this for. This is the moment that I've been waiting for. I already can't breathe. Hang on. Oh, gotta get prepared. Holy crud. Oh my god.
What do you think, sis?
Look at her face. Look at Renee. That's amazing.
Ain't it?
Oh shit.
Oh my god. That's good. That's so good.
Discovered that Danny has a go-to dance